Hey everyone, welcome back to Item Inc. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop us a comment down below, and subscribe to become part of our growing community. For more information on compatible models, check the description down below. Today, we will discuss how to replace the developer unit for the Kyocera P3145. Let's dive right into the video. To begin, open the top cover. Release the lock lever by rotating the lever towards the front of the printer and then remove the toner container. Next, open the front cover. Pull the drum unit up and towards you. Release the container guide on the left side of the assembly by sliding forward and away from you. Disconnect the cable to remove the developer. To remove the developer, release the lock lever on the right and then remove the developer unit upward. Insert the new developer unit in the drum unit. Reconnect the cable and reinstall the container guide by sliding backwards towards you. Insert the toner container back into place. Close the front door. Then finally, close the top cover. Now you can turn the printer on and initialize the new developer in the service menu. That's all for our quick guide on replacing the developer unit for the Kyocera P3145. Hit that like button if it helped, subscribe for more, and check the description for more details. We'll see you next time at Item Inc.